Hey everybody, I'm Zach from OpenDrives, and today I'd like to talk about OpenDrives Anywhere, our remote workflow offering for media enterprises. Remote workflow is a question that has been increasingly relevant as we settle into the digital native era of film production. Due to the demanding performance requirements of working with film and video files, public cloud infrastructure has yet to provide solutions for all workflows. We may also be quick to fall back on the old methods, taking the work and gear home. Unfortunately, this sacrifices the hard-earned benefits of our collaborative workflows, breaking shared infrastructure to work each in our own silos. At OpenDrives, we took our holistic view of performance and set out to establish a cost-effective remote workflow that would be beneficial in the immediate and long term, scalable, and extremely low impact for new and existing customers. The bottom line? We need to keep working. Infrastructure should make our work effortless. Finally, the solution must be secure and easy to deploy. OpenDrives Anywhere. Let's take a look. Today, I'm working from my home office in Burbank, and I will be using our private cloud infrastructure at our headquarters in Culver City, which is about 25 miles away. From my home PC, I'm logged into our company VPN, where I'm able to securely access the same high-performance workstations I use every day, which in turn are connected to high-performance OpenDrive storage via a dedicated media network. Rather than taking any assets, media, or equipment out of the facility, the only information being securely transmitted to my local computer is the monitor feed. So you can see here, I'm in Adobe Premiere, and I have a full episode of David Fincher's Mindhunter, which is the same demo content that prospective customers would be able to see normally if they were coming into our lab for a demo. This is a full episode intact, and it's about 77,000 assets. So you can see I have the entire timeline here, from front roll to end credits. Scrubbing performance is pretty smooth, scaling performance as well. And I can jump into a scene here. Let's find something with some dialogue. And I'll turn the sound on. And you can hear that the sound is actually coming through as well in stereo, synchronized with the picture.
Thanks for coming up, Dr. Carr.
Of course.
I realize I don't know much about your life in Boston, outside of your work at the university. Do you have a husband?
No.
Kid?
So I could jump a couple clips
Managing
later.
the project and keeping things on track in a more selves. If you're managing the project and
So you can see I can zip around. And really this performance extends beyond just editing as well. So if, for example, you were a colorist looking for a remote solution, here I actually have Resolve running on the same system. And I am in a timeline of 16-bit EXRs in 4K UHD. So here I can play back those EXRs. I could skip a couple clips, find a good frame. There's a good one. Say I wanted to do a little bit of grading. Maybe add a little contrast. There we go. And check the result. And there it is, 24 FPS playback with 16-bit EXRs. Remote editing can only ever be as good as the on-prem experience, which is why it is absolutely critical, now more than ever, to start with the highest performing, lowest latency storage technologies purpose-built for media creation. With OpenDrives Anywhere, we hope the tangible experience speaks for itself. Whatever your workflow, even if you are editing collaboratively, fully online, or with uncompressed formats, it should feel like being right in front of your workstation, but without the commute. If you're currently in the process of setting up a remote workflow, or want to explore the potential of OpenDrives Anywhere, please don't hesitate to reach out. Stay safe.